How can I get accurate population change component data? Imagine trying to understand how the population of the United States is changing without knowing the main factors behind it. It's like trying to solve a puzzle without all the pieces. To get a clear picture, you need reliable data on the main parts that make up population change. These parts are births, deaths, and migration. Births add people to the population, while deaths remove them. Migration involves people moving into or out of a place, which can significantly impact population size. The best way to find accurate data on these components is through the U.S. Census Bureau's Population Estimates program. This program produces yearly estimates for the entire country, individual states, counties, and even smaller areas. They use a method called the cohort component method. This approach starts with the most recent decennial census data, which is collected every 10 years. Then, it adjusts that data by adding the number of births, subtracting the number of deaths, and estimating how many people have moved in or out. To get precise data, begin with the latest decennial census, which is usually available from the Census Bureau's website. Next, incorporate vital statistics from federal and state records, like birth and death certificates. These records help track natural increase or decrease in the population. Migration is trickier because it involves tracking people moving across borders or within the country. The Census Bureau estimates migration using administrative data from sources like Social Security, Medicare, and the Internal Revenue Service. Sometimes, migration is calculated as a residual, meaning they look at the total population change and subtract natural increase to find how many people moved in or out. The cohort component method is detailed and considers different age groups, genders, races, and ethnicities. It applies the same calculations to each group to produce accurate estimates. To see how population change varies across regions, the Census Bureau also uses geographic allocation methods. These distribute population changes within states to counties and cities based on housing data. The Census Bureau releases updated estimates and detailed data files every year, usually in March. You can download these directly from their website or from state demographic offices. These datasets include total population change, natural increase from births and deaths, and migration estimates. Sometimes, when direct migration data isn't available, planners use indirect methods like the residual or survival ratio techniques to estimate movement. In short, the most reliable way to get accurate population change component data in the United States is to use the Census Bureau's annual estimates. They combine multiple data sources and apply the cohort component method to give detailed, age-specific, and region-specific information. Checking their official releases ensures you are working with the most current and trustworthy data for understanding how the population is changing over time.